What go on, people?
Hey guys,
So welcome to another episode of
Journey with the
Jacksons.
It's the season to be jolly and merry and bright. It's what, baby?
It's Christmas season.
It's Christmas time. So roll out the elves, roll out Santa Claus, like for those of you who believe in Santa Claus, like yeah. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in, and to our resident watchers, thank you so much for sticking and staying with us. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave us a comment down below, okay?
So today we will be looking at some Christmas traditions. So this vary from family to family, but they are common among most Jamaicans. Right. First thing, the whole aura that the season brings, the breeze blowing, the food, the decoration. Oh, but before we get to all of the good part, let's talk about the work. First though, around Christmas season is a must. So if I get the soap and climb up on some ladder or something, wash window, wash under the curtilage at the roof, and so forth.
Christmas tradition for you is actually big spring cleaning.
Yeah, spring cleaning. Some serious cleaning.
Alright.
Some only for washing.
Yeah.
Some only for dusting. Yeah. But yeah, it was good.
And I think that's popular for a number of Jamaican families. I don't
Painting. That like almost every probably 90% of Jamaican family paint around Christmas time.
Yeah, or maybe more.
Or maybe more.
Waking up at Christmas morning, and we would have prayer meetings in my family.
Yeah.
And it was so cool for me because that is just me. It was so cool for me because we would sing all these Christmas carols, and my granny would be at the top of her voice, and we would have the tambourine knocking, and it would be so fun for us. So that was really, really outside of us getting the new clothes and all of that. It was good. So that was a highlight for my Christmas as a child growing up.
For my family, most Sunday mornings we usually get up and have that type of devotion and prayer meeting. Like so on Christmas morning, which hardly fall on a Sunday, so we didn't usually get up and do that. So
yeah, we usually always have our prayer meetings. That's no if or but we definitely had to, on Christmas morning, we had to do that, or we were rolling ourselves to church early in the morning.
Yes.
I was wondering what is wrong with my granny. But and my mother too, Lord Jesus. But it was what it was.
Some Christmas morning, I got away from it, but my mother, she always went.
Nowadays I don't get new clothes for Christmas, not anymore. But one is definitely.
You don't get new clothes for Christmas anymore?
No, do I?
Of course.
No, what okay.
Every year around Christmas, you get new clothes. A whole heap.
Alright.
Reminder.
Alright. But anyway, another one is definitely a couple days before Christmas, we're making the cereal with the ginger.
Yeah.
Proper. And then my mother and grandmother think that you have to put it in a glass bottle to store, because when you store in a glass bottle it's nice.
Yeah, nicer.
I don't know. I don't care. I just want it. Oh, you mean say you know?
I don't know. I don't know if it is nicer because of the glass bottle. You remember them red label wine bottle there? Little beanie.
Beanie and
comment if you remember that bottle. It was about like this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so
man.
funny enough.
And then thick glass.
But was it a great time?
Yeah. The baking. Let's talk about the baking. So you have to put everything together. You have to put the butter, the eggs, you have the sugar. You have to put some brown in the night to do.
Yeah, to get it
and
dark.
the vanilla.
And the wine.
And the wine. And the fruits. Yeah. I mean, usually it's not all of them you make with the rum, because some persons don't like rum in their fruit cake.
Yeah.
But that is my thing. So everybody who knows me well knows that I love fruit cake.
When you have all those ingredients, then I remember having to use your hand with a wooden spoon, with the bowl, with the sugar and the butter, and you're mixing that. And
we didn't use a mixer.
It's okay. Well, in deep rural where I'm from, we had a little mixer some years after, but
they make the process faster.
Well, we had to be rubbing and the whole I hear, so there's some proper exercise when the right hand side you use the left hand, and I used to really enjoy just simply licking the spoon. Like, I know why you Jamaicans out there must can relate to the fact that you used to just come and just like lick the big wooden spoon just because, you know, they think the mixer tastes nice, and they would mix that butter and sugar until it's so fluffy. Yeah,
and usually when them finish, when my sister and my mother finish mix, me want the base. Because me I go, same thing as a base, me I take my finger.
Yeah, or you use a spoon. Or you
use a spoon and my finger get more than what the spoon pick up. My finger now is nothing when you're looking at the base, so God bless if you see one crease where the butter mark is. Everything. Yeah.
But that was so
we usually my father usually buy a goat maybe about October, November, and kill the goat like a day before Christmas or so. I mean, I remember for Christmas morning.
Usually in where I'm from, I see them kill it on Christmas morning.
Oh, Christmas morning.
Yeah, early in the morning.
Yeah, so that is usually a must in my house. The cocoa tea.
Definitely. You have the chocolate. No cocoa, them call it chocolate tea.
Hot.
So hot chocolate tea. And you know, if you ever have chocolate tea, real Jamaican chocolate tea with them beat and grate and roll together and making the little balls and put that little
why if you make the little balls? But
put that into little balls and put them into yeah, so put that in little balls and put them down and all of that jazz, and put them to boil to make the tea. Then you know, then them add some sometimes coconut milk or cow's milk or even regular condensed milk, and that's what you have. And if chocolate tea ever, if it really hot,
man, if you burn
and it touch your mouth,
scotch your tongue.
Like it's for the whole day.
Yeah, well, not some bad still there.
You never really have real hot chocolate tea, eh?
So you still a taste it for your tongue?
Like your tongue scorch.
So now you can work around them and pass and place and make usually the tip scorch, you know. So just pass and put.
I can't do that.
Get creative.
No, it stresses me out. I just don't like that. So I don't like when my tongue is scorched. So it doesn't work. But I tell you guys, those are some of the things that
and so some persons put up socks for awaiting Santa Claus.
Not me.
Me do it already.
Wow.
You want to do it this year?
Absolutely not. My Santa here is going to just give me my gifts. That's it.
But then you say you don't want any gift.
I changed my mind. I changed my mind.
Too late to change your mind.
No.
Yes. Anyway, but gifts. So gifts exchange. Some family do this more than some. For some some persons get, you know.
They do pixie at church.
Yeah.
Some stuff like that. They do pixie at church.
Yeah, and at work usually you pick the individual throughout the year giving them small gifts.
What's another name that they call it?
Pixie?
No, the pixie. Some Santa gifting or something.
I don't know about that because it's not Santa giving the gift. So if it's up to Santa, you don't get anything at all. Yeah, but you can share with us what are some of your
somewhere somehow you
family.
Are blowing somebody's blowing Santa.
Hush! Another one of our traditions is the setting up of Christmas lights
and decoration
and decorating. We're very big on that. So some persons love the excessive lights, some persons go simpler than some persons just do a little things, and some persons do it themselves or they depend on other persons for the whole sightseeing.
Yeah, the sightseeing, you're right. Yeah.
So
My mom, she used to put up a lot of decorations. What she would do is that she would allow us to get like balloons, and we'll find that so fun. And I think that if not almost every Jamaican child can relate to the balloon on the little card, the little, what you call them, like a pack. And there's
yeah. So
there's like a little number. I wonder there's a little number we press on.
You know, you mentioned that one of the worst things for me. You know, matter of fact, I have never picked a big balloon.
Never, me too.
One time. When it was maybe one of the only balloons left, me get it.
So it's not never then,
yeah, but never. I almost never, because hear why. When we take the balloon and me start inflate the balloon have some big hole in the balloon. And I said like, no man, I didn't want to see it ever again.
Ever. But you know, like everybody was so excited, and we always like, we want to go and like, so you press, there's a little card first, where you press a little number, you choose the number, so if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, you choose the pluck it off, and then you give it to the person, but there's a shopkeeper, or if it's like, oh okay, it's money used to do it, and we give her it, and we would read the number, they look for the number that you pick on the balloon clock thing. And I tell you, but it was so much fun for us as kids. I absolutely love that.
We had a Christmas tree right in the middle of the yard, but it was very nice, and that is what we used to decorate. Sometimes, most time it was just round. It was just round, and we put the shiny thing them, line it, and put the light them round it. Yeah, we never creative. We tried to create some style sometime, but for some reason we did lack the
creative juices.
Yeah, the decorating. Yeah.
But it's so fun. It was such a fun time for us. It was so cool. We had so much fun. And then another thing, my mom used to take us to get our presents. And I remember this one time she took us to buy this stuffed animal, and I bought a little bird, and I love the stuffed bird so much. And my sister got a bunny rabbit, like a girl rabbit. But it was so cool. I loved it. I got to thank my mama for the kind of, and my granny for the kind of Christmas that I have had. It was awesome. Awesome experiences.
So it's just let us know what some of your experiences were, what some of them are.
Or your favorites.
Yeah. Can you tell us some of the gifts that you got?
Let us know. Let us know. We're looking forward to hearing from you guys. We hope you had fun watching this video. We had so much fun sharing with you. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also
like this video,
turn on your notification bell, and leave us a comment. Let us know what you're thinking. So until we see you again,
bye. Thank you for journeying with the Jackson, and always remember to make every day an adventure. See you.